Hey everyone, I'm Joel on the road, and today my UNESCO World Heritage journey is at the Fagus Factory in Alfeld, Germany. This is the Fagus Factory, a shoe last factory built in the early 20th century. Now, it's a landmark of modern industrial design, and it was designed by Walter Gropius, who would later go on to found the Bauhaus School of Architecture, which is probably the most influential school of architecture in the history of modern design. Now, this factory is a complex of about 11 buildings for the manufacturing of shoe lasts, which are the moulds that are used to manufacture shoes. So let's have a look around. So there's a number of reasons why the factory is built here, and it's partly because it's right next to the main rail line between Frankfurt and Hamburg. It's literally right here, about 30 meters from me. And the person who set up this company, Karl Benscheidt, he worked for a different company previously that's literally just over there, and they also made shoe lasts, so they were the direct competition. Now, the architecture here is absolutely beautiful. It's very, very modernist, so there's lots of steel and glass and reinforced concrete on the inside where you can't quite see it, although this one also has quite a few bricks in it too. It looks like a curtain wall, though it isn't, but that was a concept that was later developed by Walter Gropius at the Bauhaus School. What I find really interesting about this factory is that despite opening over 100 years ago, it's produced shoe lasts for the entire time, except for a brief period during World War II when it was taken over by the Nazis and forced to make weapons parts. And as much as I'd love to go and have a look around inside, it's still an active factory. There's people working in there. It's a busy Monday morning and people are getting on with their jobs. So yeah, I don't think they'd take too kindly to me just poking around, sadly. It's just so fascinating to see all of the components of modern architecture that we're so used to, but seeing them in a building that's clearly over 100 years old. And Walter Gropius was so influential as an architect that we're going to see quite a few of his buildings over the next couple of months. So I'm really looking forward to that. But that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Joel on the road, and I'll see you at the next World Heritage site.